Rainbow syllabus with 7 main and 30 subjects covers all UPSC CSE prelims and mains general studies, government and competitive exams, and top 100 social media topics. List of main subjects. Management, Information and Technology 1, 4, 33. Languages, Arts and Crafts 2, 2, 15. Social Science, Social Studies 3, 9, 12. Natural Science, General Science 4, 4, 22. Mathematics, Economics and Business 5, 8, 2. Law and Governance 6, 1, 0. Sociology and Social Work 7, 2, 16. List of 30 subjects. Chemistry 4, 1, 0. Physics, Statics 4, 2, 5. Mechanical Engineering 1, 3, 0. Computer Science 1, 4, 8. Information and Technology 1, 5, 5. Biology 4, 6, 8. Psychology 7, 7, 9. Arithmetic 5, 8, 1. Geometry 5, 9, 0. Trigonometry 5, 10, 0. Statistics 5, 11, 0. Algebra 5, 12, 0. General Mental Ability 5, 13, 1. Logical Reasoning and Analytical Ability 5, 14, 0. India and World Geography 3, 15, 3. Environmental Studies 4, 16, 9. Economic and Social Development 3, 17, 1. Business Administration 1, 18, 20. Sociology and Social Work 7, 19, 7. Philosophy, Morality, Religion and Interpersonal Skills including Communication Skills 3, 20, 1. Political Science 3, 21, 1. International Relations 3, 22, 0. Law and Governance 6, 23, 0. History of India 3, 24, 1. History of the World 3, 25, 0. General Knowledge 3, 26, 4. Current Affairs 3, 27, 1. Decision Making and Problem Solving 5, 28, 0. English 2, 29, 1. Hindi 2, 30, 1. List of top 100 social media topics. Government Job Preparation 3, 3, 1. Competitive Exam Coaching 5, 5, 2. Long-Term Investment Guidance 1, 1, 3. Stock Market Education 1, 1, 4. Intraday Trading Basics 1, 1, 5. Personal Finance Management 1, 1, 6. Budget Planning for Families 1, 1, 7. Credit Card Awareness 1, 1, 8. Home Loan Guidance 1, 1, 9. Health and Fitness Tips 4, 4, 10. Weight Loss Diet Plans 4, 4, 11. Yoga Practice for Beginners 7, 7, 12. Natural Home Remedies 4, 4, 13. Mental Health Awareness 7, 7, 14. Study Tips for Students 7, 7, 15. Class 10 Study Guide 3, 3, 16. Class 12 Study Guide 3, 3, 17. Entrance Exam Preparation 5, 5, 18. Career Guidance for Youth 7, 7, 19. Skill Development Programs 7, 7, 20. Spoken English Practice 2, 2, 21. Technology News and Updates 1, 1, 22. Smartphone Buying Guide 1, 1, 23. Laptop Buying Guide 1, 1, 24. Camera and Gadget Review 1, 1, 25. Digital Marketing Tutorials 1, 1, 26. YouTube Growth Strategy 1, 1, 27. Social Media Marketing 1, 1, 28. Search Engine Optimization 1, 1, 29. Online Earning Methods 1, 1, 30. Freelancing Career Guide 1, 1, 31. Coding for Beginners 1, 1, 32. Artificial Intelligence Basics 1, 1, 33. Computer Tips and Tricks 1, 1, 34. Mobile App Tutorial 1, 1, 35. Online Safety and Privacy 1, 1, 36. Cooking and Recipe Ideas 4, 4, 37. Quick Breakfast Recipes 4, 4, 38. Indian Lunch Recipes 4, 4, 39. Healthy Dinner Recipes 4, 4, 40. Street Food Review 4, 4, 41. Travel Guide for India 3, 3, 42. Budget Travel Planning 3, 3, 43. Hidden Tourist Places 3, 3, 44. Family Travel Vlog 7, 7, 45. Car Review and Comparison 4, 4, 46. Bike Review and Comparison 4, 4, 47. Electric Vehicle Awareness 4, 4, 48. Automobile Maintenance Tips 4, 4, 49. Home Improvement Ideas 4, 4, 50. Interior Design Guide 2, 2, 51. Simple home decoration 2, 52. Gardening tips for home 4, 53. Organic farming basics 4, 54. Small business ideas 1, 55. Startup guidance for beginners 1, 56. Entrepreneurship mindset 1, 57. Passive income ideas 1, 58. Real estate education 1, 59. House buying guide 1, 60. Rent and lease guidance 1, 61. Relationship advice 7, 62. Marriage tips for couples 7, 63. Parenting tips for mothers 7, 64. Child care guidance 7, 65. Pregnancy care awareness 4, 66. Beauty and skincare tips 4, 67. Hair care routine 4, 68. Makeup tutorial for beginners 2, 69. Fashion and styling tips 2, 70. Men grooming routine 2, 71. Fitness workout at home 4, 72. Gym exercise guidance 4, 73. Motivation for students 7, 74. Self-improvement tips 7, 75. Time management skills 7, 76. Productivity techniques 7, 77. Success mindset training 7, 78. Meditation practice 3, 79. Music learning tutorials 2, 80. Guitar learning for beginners 2, 81. Singing practice lessons 2, 82. Dance learning for beginners 2, 83. Art and drawing tutorials 2, 84. Craft ideas for home 2, 85. Photography basics 2, 86. Video editing tutorials 1, 87. Film making tips 2, 88. Animation and motion graphics 1, 89. Gaming live streaming 1, 90. Game review and gameplay 1, 91. Kids learning videos 7, 92. Storytelling for children 2, 93. Educational facts and knowledge 3, 94. Science experiments for kids 4, 95. History education for youth 3, 96. Geography learning guide 3, 97. General knowledge lessons 3, 98. Daily news explanation 3, 99. Weather and climate awareness 4, 100. Complete YouTube SEO and virality factors checklist. Asterisk I. Keywords and metadata settings paths SEO relevance. 1. Channel keywords. YouTube Studio settings channel basic info keywords field. 2. Channel description. YouTube Studio customization basic info description field. 3. Video file name. Local computer rename the video file before upload with keywords. 4. Video title. YouTube Studio content click video details title field. 5. Video description. YouTube Studio content click video details description field. 6. Video tags. YouTube Studio content click video details show more tags box. 7. In video captions transcript. YouTube Studio content click video subtitles tab. 8. Playlist title. YouTube Studio content playlists tab click playlist title field. 9. Playlist description. YouTube Studio content playlists tab click playlist description field. 10. Video category. YouTube Studio content click video details show more category. 11. Hashtags and description. Description field use 3 to 5 relevant hashtags at the end. 12. Timestamps chapters. Description field add 0 followed by a title keyword. 13. End screen elements. YouTube Studio content click video editor end screen. 14. Info cards. YouTube Studio content click video editor cards. Asterisk 2. Virality and performance factors algorithm signals. 15. Click-through rate center driven by title and thumbnail effectiveness. 16. Audience retention. Percentage of the video the average viewer watches. 17. Session watch time. Total time a user stays on YouTube after watching your video. 18. Video thumbnail. Custom, high contrast, and compelling image. 19. Video quality. Technical quality, HD, clear audio, good lighting. 20. Content value. The substance and utility of the video, entertainment, education. 21. Engagement signals. Likes, dislikes, low negative signals, and comments. 22. Channel icon and banner. Consistent, professional channel branding. 23. Title keywords tags from viral videos, competitor analysis for high-performing topics. 24. Top trending topic per niche, catching timely, relevant subjects. 25. Average view duration AVD total watch time divided by plays. 26. External traffic sources, promotion on social media, blogs, etc. 27. Upload consistency frequency, maintaining a regular posting schedule. 28. Subscriber growth rate, videos effectiveness in converting viewers to subscribers. 29. Video content structure, powerful hook in the first 10 to 30 seconds. 30. Viewer satisfaction, low negative feedback, e.g., not interested. 31. Mobile optimization, elements are clear and legible on small screens. 32. Video release time, optimized for peak audience activity. 33. Channel authority and EEAT, channel level trust signals, expertise, experience, etc. Category of YouTube video: cars and vehicles, comedy, education, entertainment, film and animation, gaming, how-to and style, music, news and politics, non-profits and activism, people and blogs, pets and animals, science and technology, sports, travel and events. This is a critical point about the Indian digital market, which shows a massive preference for local content. Since I cannot use tables as requested, here is the detailed breakdown of the estimated percentage of Indian viewers on YouTube by language preference, based on recent industry reports. India language preference of YouTube viewers in India. The consumption pattern in India is overwhelmingly skewed towards local languages, a phenomenon often referred to as the rise of Bharat, Tier 2 and rural users. 1. The dominance of Indic languages. Overall share. The vast majority of YouTube consumption in India, an estimated 90% to 95%, is in Indic languages. Key finding: several major reports, including studies from Mindshare, state that 93% of YouTube viewers in India prefer watching content in Indian languages. This segment includes Hindi and all regional languages. 2. The share of English. Overall share. English content accounts for a much smaller fraction of total viewership, estimated to be only 5% to 10%. Context: while English remains important in major metropolitan areas and for specific niches like professional tech or finance, the massive user base growth is happening in non-metro areas that primarily use local languages. Deeper breakdown within Indic languages. The Indic language share itself is split between Hindi and the rapidly growing regional languages. Hindi. This is the single largest linguistic segment, accounting for an estimated 40% to 50% of all content consumption. This is driven by Bollywood music and films, large-scale comedy, and pan-India educational and entertainment channels. Regional languages. This group, which includes Tamil, Telugu, Bengali, Punjabi, Malayalam, Bhojpuri, and others, collectively makes up the remaining 40% to 50% of consumption. This segment is the fastest growing, with some languages showing triple-digit growth in recent years, driven by South Indian film industries, massive and highly engaged fan bases for Tamil and Telugu cinema content. Local genres, the rise of regional music like Punjabi and Bhojpuri, and hyper-local vlogging, which connect deeply with viewers outside of major cities. In summary, the key takeaway is that for every 10 YouTube videos watched in India, at least 9 are in an Indian language. Would you like the language breakdown for a specific category like gaming or education in India? Percentage of YouTube viewers in India in chronological order from the most viewed video category to the least viewed category. 1. Music, the most watched category in India, with asterisk 31.4% of viewers. Channels like T-Series dominate with Hindi and regional songs squared. 2. Entertainment includes movies, TV shows, and web series. Asterisk 23.6% of viewers prefer this category, e.g., Set India, ZTV. 3. Education. Educational content such as nursery rhymes and tutorials attracts asterisk 18.9% of viewers. Popular channels: Cocomelon, Choo Choo TV. 4. People and blogs. Personal vlogs and lifestyle videos draw asterisk 12.4% of viewers. 5. Gaming. Gaming videos capture asterisk 8.7% of viewers, especially among youth. 6. How-to and style DIY, beauty, and lifestyle tips get asterisk 4.2% of viewers. 7. Film and animation. Movie trailers and animated content attract asterisk 3.1% of viewers. 8. Sports. Sports-related videos are watched by 2.5% of viewers. 9. News and politics, news and political analysis draw asterisk 1.8% of viewers. 10. Cars and vehicles, automobile videos get asterisk 1.4% of viewers. 11. Comedy sketches and stand-up attract asterisk 1.2% of viewers. 12. Pets and animals, animal-related videos draw asterisk 0.9% of viewers. 13. Science and technology, tech and science content attracts asterisk 0.7% of viewers. 14. Travel and events, travel vlogs and event coverage get asterisk 0.5% of viewers. 15. Nonprofits and activism, social cause and activism videos are viewed by asterisk 0.3% of viewers. These percentages reflect viewer preferences in India, ordered from the highest to the lowest usage of each YouTube category squared cubed.